Hey, good morning. Today's little project is trying to get Buddy Carl's other generator running. He says he's got a little problem. It's a diesel generator. He brought me two of them over. One the big diesel one and one a small one. The small one needed a new shutoff switch put in it. And he was having trouble getting it to work. It turns out the low oil pressure sensor switch is no good in it, and that was killing it, so it wouldn't start for him. Anyways, we got that all figured out. That's this one here. We got that little one working. It runs now, and a new shutoff switch in it. And this big one here is what we're going to work on today. So he'll be here in a little while. If all goes well, we'll be able to get this thing running. If not, this would just become a wasted video. Okay, let's get at her when he gets here. Okay guys, I know it's a little far away, but for now it's where we'll stick you. I took the time and I got it up on the hoist where it's a lot easier to work on instead of being all bent over. So I'm going to take the covers and stuff off and have a look at what we got, and have to wait for Carl to get here with the battery. Let's need to be careful. And I got this in the fuel shut off. The circuit board. Look at that, not much. Show you what I got to work with. So, I'm not sure what the problem is, to be honest. He's supposed to come and tell me. But it's a diesel, and he says it doesn't quite run proper, or starts and quits or something. There's a fuel shut off. See if that's having anything to do with it. Starter and circuit board. Injector on the other side. Not a lot to go on though. That's just the air cleaner, but we'll start with the basics. So, till then, we get a battery. We're kind of on hold. Okay, Mr. Carl's here, and we are going to figure out this generator. So, what's it doing, Carl?
I'm not talking to you.
You're not talking to me?
I'm talking about
So apparently it will run, go to start, and it won't stay running. Okay, so what we have discovered by the looks of what he's doing is the fuel shutoff's not working because he's got to hold the throttle cable. So this is the fuel shutoff, and this, when it starts, should go back like that and pull that back, but it is not. And he's mimicking it by holding the throttle over there, or you can do the same thing holding it here. So this solenoid is no good for some reason, or it's got a wire problem deeper in here, but so that's what we figured out. Fairly simple. Fairly straightforward and easy to fix. We didn't figure it out?
No, you did.
I did. Okay. I figured it out. Okay, so we get some parts maybe, or see if it's a wire issue, but other than that, problem solved. All right, final little update on this generator. As we discovered the problem that it was the fuel shutoff solenoid not working, not allowing fuel, not opening up for fuel, and hence not letting it run unless you pulled it manually. the reason behind it not working. It's not the solenoid that was the problem, it is the little computer board that's in there. So the little computer board is not sending power to the solenoid to turn on. Now there was a problem with this computer board 4 or 5 years ago as far as the key switch start and run part. And I jumped that for him and bypassed it and got the key to work so it would turn over and start the machine, the generator. That's no problem. But this computer board has been wet. It sits in a little pocket inside the generator and doesn't appear to have a cap. So water's got in the bottom of it somehow, and you pull it out, it's all been rusted and messed up. So we cleaned it, but that didn't help. So problem's a computer board, and that should solve it. So till the next time, that's all.